Happy Tuesday morning, everybody. It's going to be a big day here at Mr. Postman Print Shop. We're going to have both JV100s running perf all day today because we have a ton. We have never had this much perf work before, ever. Got some big signs that need to get installed. I don't think we'll do that today, though. Today is going to be our first real production day on the JFX 200 flatbed. We got a bunch of pricing menu boards that we are going to print internally, but we have some signs to do for clients as well. I'll show you where the menu boards are going to go. I've talked about this early on, but each one of these spaces, there's 6 spaces right there, is going to be a different menu board. And so I have consolidated all the things that we do into a workable menu. Also, we are doing our very first EDDM campaign using our digital press, laid out on 13 by 19 sheets. These are 6 by 11 postcards, and we're going to be cutting them on the Guillotine cutter. I just got to run these through again to do the second side. It's 350 GSM cardstock, and so ideally the Versant 280 can't really duplex it at that thickness. It might be able to, but it's probably not going to work out very good. So it'll run better just running it again. So we're gonna get that going. That needs to go in the mill today, really. So I'm doing that first thing this morning. We got a humongous pile of clothes right here to do screen printing for. So we're gonna get that rolling today. But yeah, there's another storage shine. Better get to it. So this is my first time having to do a color cartridge change. It said black 2, so I pulled it out and it's got this little band thing on it, and the new one does not. So I assume I'm supposed to take this off and put it on there. I don't remember that in my training, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm guessing it's not supposed to be that way. I just sort of did what I normally wouldn't do and kind of forced it in there, and then it popped in. So hopefully I did not screw anything up. I'm gonna clean up my toner mess. Okay, I just dropped off the EDDM campaign at my local post office. It's my first campaign that we printed in-house, cut on the Guillotine cutter, sorted, banded, and got there. It was a very small campaign though. 641 addresses going to a single route. It was for a church, and they just wanted to reach people that were near their church on that one route. So it worked out really well. I do have a 20,000 piece campaign that's gonna be on the horizon. I got to do some calculating on that. I need to figure out, is it going to be worth doing that campaign in-house, or is it going to be worth it just to outsource that? I need to calculate the cost of it. I need to calculate the opportunity cost, time with that. But that was a good first run. Another thing I got done today was we printed all of our sign menu boards. I only had space for 6 signs. I had 7. The 7th sign I printed, it was for my roll-to-roll menu board. And so I printed it on a roll-up banner. So very appropriate. That gave us enough room to kind of display all the pricing that we need. I think we're also just going to convert that into a little postcard campaign, or a little postcard, or a little brochure, or something with our pricing on it to make it easy for people, and maybe just have it easy to have something at our desk so that we can quick give someone a price whenever someone calls in or they walk in the door. So anyways, our pricing is more standardized now. Pricing's higher. We have good base pricing, but you know, when you go with 2 sides, or you want to laminate stuff, and you know, all these things, that starts adding up. And I think a lot of times we're too nice to people and we give away things for free, like contour cutting, custom contour cutting, rather than upcharging for things like that. So we're gonna try to do a lot better job of staying profitable, staying on top of that stuff. I appreciate you guys tuning in today. It's a hot one. I'm gonna head to the house and change, and get in some shorts, hit the tennis court. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for tuning in.